Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Google Analytics to your Weebly website in 2024. So today, we're diving into the world of website analytics and exploring how to connect it to Google Analytics, of course, to your Weebly website. Google Analytics, first of all, provides valuable insights into your website's performance, helping you understand the visitor behavior, track conversions, and make some data-driven decisions. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of how to do it. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you have. Here for me, I'm using Brave browser. For you, you can use whatever browser you have. Once you open that browser, of course, you'll need to go and sign up for Google Analytics and open, of course, your Weebly account. So just go, and I'll start by going to weebly.com. As an example, second tab, I'll go into Google Analytics. And simply here, I'll just go and click even both of those. As you can see, normally it's going to be this. And this Weebly, you'll have to go to the top right corner and make sure to log in into your account. If you have an account, if you don't have an account, click on sign up to create a new account. For me, I'll just go here and click on login. As you can see, you can log in using Square, Facebook, or Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging into your account. And the same, I guess, is going to be for sign up. So if you click on sign up, you'll be able to sign up with, okay, it seems like you don't have in sign up option, those options. So you'll be able just to sign up normally without like Google and etc. So to log in, you can use that if you don't want to get through the boring steps of of filling up your information alone. So for me here, I'll just go and click on login with Google. I'll choose my account. And as you can see, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, and profile picture with your weebly.com. And you can see the weebly.com privacy policy and terms of service if you care about that. So here, I'll just go and click on continue to be logged into my account. Same will be normally for Google Analytics. Make sure that you're logged in into your account, into your Google account. So you'll have access, of course, to your Google Analytics account, which is analytics.google.com. Make sure that you're logged in into it. So yeah, as you can see, I'm already logged in into my Weebly account, and the same for Google Analytics. So now, what you'll need to do simply, if you go to weebly.com, if you go to your account, you'll have to go and access your site settings. So an example here, if we go to our website, so let me just go there. First of all, of course, make sure to customize it or personalize your website however you want. Of course, you can enter a domain if you have one. So just go here into your website, make sure to edit it however you want. Then as example, if you go here to settings of your website, all you need to do is simply go to this SEO settings. So as you can see here, you'll have site description, meta keyword, footer code, header code, hit sites from search engines, and as you can see, a lot of things that you can add. You can even add some old URLs examples, so people will be redirected from your old URL to this one, and some other stuff. You can add, of course, as an example, your site description here, so it appears in search engine results, and some keywords that will attract more. As you can see, but in this footer code, you'll find example Google Analytics tracking code. So basically here, to connect your Google Analytics, you'll need to get this footer code from Google Analytics. So basically, here, if you go back to your Google Analytics, you'll need to copy the tracking code provided to add it in the footer of your Weebly code. Where can you find that? So once you are here, make sure to go and click on Get Tagging Instructions as an example. Here for me, I already have one already connected. Of course, here, as you can see, this URL, make sure if you own this URL, of course, you'll need, first of all, to publish like a Weebly website, you'll need a URL. So if you click on publish here, as you can see, they'll tell you to enter URL. So make sure, as an example, to enter it, to publish it in that URL specifically. So if it's not published, you'll not be able to connect it to Google Analytics. Once you publish it to a specific URL, I don't know which URL you have, make sure to look for URL, click on search, and make sure to connect it as an example. Once it's connected, now we can go back to settings, SEO, and as you can see here, if we go, of course, as an example, let's say this the URL that I have. Of course, how to connect this, you can simply click on add theme, web. As you can see, in most cases, single web stream will meet your measurement needs. Using multiple web streams to measure different pages or sites in a single user journey may lead to inconsistent results. So are you sure you want to create another web stream? Of course, because I already have one, that's why they give me this. Of course, I can, like, as example, delete this one and create another one. But for me, I'm just showing you. So I'll just go and click on web, then click on yes. Once you click on yes here, as you can see, here I'll have to enter the URL, the same one I entered here on Weebly. So example, it's gonna be maybe the same .com as an example. And of course you can give it a name for me. I'll just give it a test name. Then click on create. So once I click on create, as you can see, I'll find here this options. And basically here, as you can see, I'll have to install the website builder or CMS, or install it manually. How to install it manually? As you can see, they will give you this Google tag. All you need to do is simply can copy that, go here, insert here, and click on save. And as you can see, you now successfully connected your Google Analytics with your Weebly websites. As you can see, but data collection isn't active for your websites. If you install tags more than 48 hours ago, make sure they are set up correctly. For me, I just like set this up, so I'll have to wait around 2 days. Then I will be able to come back here to Google Analytics and see if I really received some data or not. If not, make sure to go. And even as an example, if we go here to view tag instructions, if you have it on one of their websites, example, in click on select platform, here, if you find, like, if you're not maybe using Weebly and you find the websites that you're using in here, make sure to click it so it can install automatically. So we'll do the instructions alone. You don't have to do it. And yeah, so other than that, you'll be able to modify some settings if you want to. And I guess you will be good to go. So now make sure to publish your websites, of course, before even connecting it to Google Analytics, so it will be ready to use. And yeah, we can now regularly monitor your Google Analytics data from your reports, example, to gain insight into your website's performance and visitor behavior. You can use the reports and metrics available to identify areas of improvement and make informed decisions to optimize your website. So this is going to be it for me today. There you have it. You've connected your Google Analytics to Weebly, and you gain access to valuable data that's going to help you understand and improve your online presence. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.